All right, so I can see that everyone wore their pink outfits today, and not just me. Oops, it was just me, after all. All right, so next week we're gonna have a quiz on Tuesday and a test on Thursday. We're gonna knock those two out in the same week. All right, we've been kind of doing quadratics for like ever, and we're gonna finally wrap this up. And then there'll be like one more week, and then I'm out. And then I hope y'all do well when I'm gone. All right, so Red Ribbon Week extra credit is due today. Today, not tomorrow. Today, Friday. Okay, so I guess I should fix that, but whatever. Let's go ahead and graph these. So you should have already been able to take your graphing calculator and go to a new document. Don't save. Number 2. Now, what do you call this x squared, the basic one, through the center? The what? No, the name of the type of function is like it's the original one that goes through the center. It doesn't shift or anything. It's the what's it called? It's like related to all the other ones. It's the one that all the other ones are derived from. It's like all other function are the child of this one function. Because it's like an older one that has all these children, and it's, like the children live in the house of it's a parent function. I was trying to give you all hints. Like kids, older, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Okay, everyone, say parent function. Parent function. Parent function is the basic one that goes through the center. I'm asking this tomorrow in your dreams, in your nightmares. You're going to remember this word, right? October 31st, you're going to be saying trick or treat. And you're going to be at my house. I'll be like, what's that? Okay, parent function. You're going to be in this haunted house. The only way to get out is if you know the name of this. Parent function. All right, anyways, parent function goes through 0, 0. Now, how do I graph another graph? What do I press? Tab, okay. There it is. So hit the tab, and then 2x squared minus 5. Now, what happened from this blue one to this red one? What happened? Okay, shift down. Anything else? Okay. So did it have any vertical change? What do you think? If there's a 2 in front of the x squared, what does that do? Stretch? Okay. 2 is bigger than 1, so it is a vertical stretch. Not a compression, but it's a stretch, right? So you could say vertical stretch. Vertical stretch. This looks terrible. Let's just rewrite that. It's hard to write on this thing. Number 3. Now, can you graph this one? I know it has a fraction. Y'all know how to do fractions in the calculator? Yeah, so tab, control divide, very good. And you get 1 over 2, go to the right, parentheses x plus 3 squared plus 1. Now, from this blue one to this black one, there's a lot of changes. Which one change you see? It what? So instead of going up, going down, it's a reflection across the x-axis, right? What else? What'd you say? Did it move any direction? Okay, the vertex is here now, it went to the left, and then it went also which way? Left 3, and then what? Up 1. up 1, bam. Now there's one more thing you could tell me. There's a half. Well, that 1/2 is less than 1. What does that do to the graph? What do you think? What? Vertical something. What does the 1/2 do? What? So bigger than 1 is a stretch, but 1/2 is less than 1, so that's a compression, vertical compression. Does everyone see that? Half is less than 1. You're kind of compressing it, vertical compression. Oh my God. All right. Oh my goodness, looks terrible. All right, so it's just very hard to write on this laptop, but it's okay. Now, it's Friday. You should have 5 good warm-ups, 5 good objectives. If you missed any days, you put absent and your name is on it. You can go ahead and make sure your name's on it now, and then you can pass it to the front. Please. All right. One second. Half a second. What does that mean? All right, everybody look. You have your visual attention over here. Monday, you should have started and finished, hopefully, effects of A. Remember that? And then Tuesday, maybe some more time on that. Wednesday, I gave you effects of H. You should have hopefully finished that. And yesterday, I gave you effects of K. Hopefully you should have finished that. Okay? Those are 3 days of transformations, 4 days, whatever. Okay? But I want to make sure everyone has it done. I want to make sure that you check your answers if you did finish it. Okay? So what I did was I made a key and I put it there and in the back and over there. So 3 times. Bam, bam, bam. I'm going to pass back the ones that were turned in. You can check your work. If you're not done with something, finish it real quick, check your work, and then I put a stapler by the turning bin. You want to staple all 3 into one thing. Okay? So whether you turn it in or not, I'd like for you to have that done today. Because they're on the wall, you should be able to finish it today. Okay? Let's kind of put this behind us instead of making this like a long thing. And they're on the wall. There you go. So next week we're going to move on to quiz and test. Okay? I want to get quadratics in the rear view mirror. Okay? So I'm going to pass out what's been turned in. This is also on Google Classroom in the stream. You can just put the files on there already. Okay. And there's also a video of me going over it if you want to go through that. All right, here we go.